In today's video, you'll learn how to fix "an error occurred, please try again later" Chrome. This issue can interrupt playback and prevent videos from loading properly, but the good news is that it can usually be resolved with a few simple steps. Start with the first method, which is to restart your modem or router. This helps refresh your internet connection and clears temporary network issues. Turn off your router. Wait for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Once your connection is stable again, open YouTube and check if the problem is resolved. If the issue continues, move on to the second method, which is clearing your browser cache and data. Open your browser and press Ctrl-Shift-Delete on your keyboard. This will open the Browsing Data window. First, go to the Basic tab, select a suitable time range, and make sure options like cookies and cached images are checked, then click Clear Data. After that, repeat the same process, but this time switch to the Advanced tab. Select a broader time range, such as All Time, check the relevant boxes, and clear the data again. This step removes any corrupted or outdated files that may be causing the error. Once done, restart your computer and test YouTube again. Next, the third method is to update your browser. An outdated browser can sometimes cause compatibility issues with websites like YouTube. To update, open your browser, click on the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help, and then select About Google Chrome. The browser will automatically check for updates and install them if available. After the update completes, relaunch the browser and try again. If you're still facing the issue, proceed to the fourth method, which involves resetting your network settings using Command Prompt. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, then right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter: ipconfig/flushdns. This will clear your DNS cache. Then type the next command, netsh winsock reset. Press Enter again. These commands help reset your network configuration and can fix connection-related errors. Once you've run both commands, close the command prompt and restart your computer. After your system restarts, open your browser and check YouTube again. In most cases, one of these methods should resolve the issue and restore normal playback. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you, consider sharing it with others who might be facing the same problem. Thanks for watching.